Senator wa Kiambu na ndi ndamu promise ya ule wothe kuri yakwa ni yako sasa ore senator kongero ni wega oyo kuna ni mundu wa bata ore atuhanokeirie mundu gwitwo Njeru oyo arugamite urugo mucemanio-ini president ya hau akigwetwo kiugo ciringi milioni 2 cikioneka na agiturehera na cikiugo kiuga ingi nake Ngai agutura kurikanite ndu akana ruja Njeru sawa arugama Njeru kongera kurogo rakana ruju ile president oyo ndio niliona leo na maundu ni mega karibu sana
Karago na family yangu yothe ndaramukite kanitha wa Macakaya tungatiri yothe na kurino mari yothe akumia Jesu na roho mukuri witu kumia Jesu na roho mukuri witu toketa ko Macakaya na family ya Karago is our great brother na murata witu nicho gutumite tuke umuthi na ithui andira tokoragwo tugi support president nitui kuhũthĩra mĩeke ĩyo nĩrĩ tutihũra siasa thĩinĩ wa maũngorezi kana hĩndĩ ya mathiko nitui kũrĩa andũ marĩ nĩtũthiaga kũmahoya kura koguo tũkĩte ũmũthĩ nĩ tondũ wa gũcakaya na kwĩra Karago asante sana nĩgũkorwo wĩna mũrũgamo na tũtikanagara taitũ koguo Karago ũrũgamĩte na mũrũgamo ũcio nĩkĩo twĩ haha na nĩtũkĩte kũhĩtũkĩra ofisi ya Mheshimiwa Dennis Itumbi head of creative and presidential project wĩ haha. But before ndimo nekere mweke uyu hena arata me haha a Karago na makoragwo ofisi ya mundu gwitwa Itumbi. Just want to recognize them rugama ihari ya muri akatwethera mweke na ihenya. Very good. Ucio haha etagwo Riz na Riz no akũria gĩcagi kwa Karago kuria kama cia Kĩrĩa-inĩ. Ucio ũngĩ nake etagwo Karo Asha nake no heanaga airĩtu aya mũndũ na gũkũ thaka thĩinĩ wa magongona. Ucio nake etagwo Wambui wa Gĩthũrai nake nĩ wa gũkũ gwitũ Ruiru mũrata witũ mũno and on behalf of Kamurigo nĩgetha kũgeithanie na ũrehane pole gatute mũnene.
Thank you very much Senator wa Kiambu, Senator Koge na wariganĩrwo nĩ mũndũ gwĩtwo Mũndia salimiana toka Nyandarua na wariganĩrwo nĩ mũndũ gwĩtwo Drew toka kwa ofisi yetu na pia Shio Kamuranga nĩ ũngĩina tiga gũkũ ũkoragwo nĩ kwa maundu ma guthii kuneno andu itu ndamugeithia murega rĩngĩ arĩtwa njĩtagwo Mũrigo kuma ofisi ya president ithuĩ tũgũkĩte gũsupport Karago tondũ nĩ ũmwe witũ mũndũ akoretwo agĩ support mũndũ tũkoretwo tũkĩrutanĩria nake wĩra na nĩ mũndũ wa bata. Rĩrĩa andũ marahũra Karago makĩmwĩra atĩ tũrabangĩra mũcemanio na mũthenya ũmwe Karago no amwĩre for a fact na atungatĩri ame a kanitha wa Kurino ni ati ni mucemanio twabangite mĩeri mĩingĩ na mucemanio ũcio twacokete tũkĩwĩka na twacokete tũkĩigua tũkĩhũrwo nĩ mũndũ akiuga atĩ twabanga mucemanio na rũcinĩ nĩgetha tũkaunte maũndũ arĩa akoretwo agĩka. Nĩ atĩ Karago akoretwo agĩtũ support tũkoretwo tũkĩrutanĩria wĩra nake na tũgũthiĩ na mbere na kũrutanĩria wĩra nawe Karago. Pole sana to you and your family, we are together and tũgũthiĩ na mbere na gũ support. God bless you and keep you. Thank you Senator.
Thank you. Tulia hau nĩkwenda kũheana story ka mũndũ wĩtagwo Shikoka Kakamurana. Shiro nyendete ndiye Shikoka umako. Kile tukaka kondirwo platform-inĩ ya Karago gakĩoywo nĩ Mheshimiwa Itumbi gakoragwo hau na tigane Karago atikĩonekire gageretie mũndũ maingĩ gagathiĩ gwĩka live performance Mheshimiwa agĩkona gathiĩte wega na tondũ ge gũkũ na gĩtĩo gĩkĩ gũtirĩ kibugo kĩmwe kĩukere kũrũ
rũmũrũ mero atũmire gũthiĩ kaũndũ karĩho no hakwa ndĩ innocent. Ithe wa irimũ ici nĩ thacigana ũrĩa gwakwa nyũmba na gũtirĩ ũndũ ũreka mũkagwa wa thimũ mwĩra we mĩtiri nĩ mũcemanio ũrĩkũ tũnamũithuĩ ngĩndĩ njuia nja ndigĩtuĩka mũkaguo na ndigĩtuĩka nyina wa twana tũu twaku inũkĩra mũkaguo na tũmahũa twaku nĩ maica-inĩ tũra rĩa wacuria. Thank you sana Karago no wajĩkire wega mũno na nĩ ngũcokagĩria ngatho na nĩ ngwendete mũno na pole sana nĩ ũndũ wa family yaku nĩyo ũmũnengera hinya ihinda-inĩ rĩrĩ ritũ. Asante.
Very good. Alright, Shiro. Rĩmwe rũtũga akoragwo akĩra andũ maikare kĩhiko-inĩ matekuma nja ya kĩhiko na rĩmwe rũ nĩ rwega Toro nani kina miaka itatu mite ya kiko leo. Leo ndio ndani na geteo giki ile tuwikiria mheshimiwa Itumbe ikiria enakio na support ya president tukite tugocoka tumwikirie na rataito nigana ndeto na mufia andu acio angi moka haha onao ukareka maria magatwekedo twagotoya rugano kama tuhira rugano magacoka magaturuma matekuruta kindu riu na geteo giki ladies and gentlemen itikira itorugame na iguru twela from the head over creative na presidential project mheshimiwa Dennis Itumbe. Tumpigie makofi.
Asante sana. Muriega. Nenda jaga ndio mwega. Na yeshole. Ni ndio Dennis Itumbe. Najua ga Itumbe ule Itumbe ya huko. Kalango tunakuja kusema pole. Familia ya ndugu yetu Paul tumekuja kusema pole. Wakati mwingi tunakuja katika mambo ya mazishi tunajikumbusha kwamba ni safari ambayo sisi wote tutatembea. Na nashukuru sana Bishop, that is a very powerful sermon umetupatia leo. Umetukumbusha mambo ni matatu, na hata yangu itakuwa tu matatu. Ya kwanza nimefanya ya kusema pole na kuambia familia kwamba ile yoyote ambayo mngetaka tufanye tutakuwa pamoja na ninyi. Na katika ile kujitayarisha kufanya mambo pale nyumbani Nyeri, najua iko maneno ambayo itakuwa pale ya kutayarisha watu wapate chakula siku ya mazishi. Kwa hivyo utamuona huyu ndugu yangu Bwana Kalango, utatafutana na huyu ndugu yangu anaitwa Murigo, mimi na ofisi yangu ambao wamesimama hapa, tutakupatia 10 bags of rice na 10 bags of beans na ile nyingine watu ungetaka hapo ya chakula. Uonane na yeye tupangane kesho uweze ukapata uanze kupanga mambo ya mazishi. Nasikia ni Wednesday. Hiyo ni ya pili. Ya tatu, Karango ni not worry. I will make grow ya kanamba tiwata nitia but do not worry. TV okay. Do not worry. Hii mambo ya kuambiwa kwamba ukifika mahali sisi wote tutatoroka, sijui ni nani hao watatoroka. Sisi tutakuwa hapo na tutakaa mpaka umalize mambo yako. Do not be threatened by people without a vision and ideas. Stand firm and focus. And I like what the guy from that other party, sijui kama siko sure ni party gani, that's why I don't want to mention kwa sababu sikusikia, lakini nilisikia ni chama ingine ile ambayo ni hiyo ingine. So amesema kwamba he has apologized. So we want to believe that apology is a true apology and that they have reversed what they had said earlier. But wewe ukiwa kiongozi, wachana na hao waimbaji, wachana na watu ambao wako na talanta tofauti. The best you can do is support them. I worked with that gentleman when he was deputy president. And let me tell you, unajua watu wakiamua kuongea, mimi nakwanga nimenyamaza, but it's also time for me to speak. And I will speak today. I worked with him when he was deputy president. And that time, ndio kulikuwa na mambo kadhaa ya watu waimbaji wetu kufanya zile concert, ndio tunakuja tunawasupport. I went for money from him specifically when there were about 2 or 3 concerts which I attended personally. I will not mention which ones. I will have another opportunity, not in a funeral, to say which ones. But I went to him 3 times and he never gave me a single coin. He told me, hao waimbaji, na mnisamehe, mimi I'm just quoting what I was told. Mbwa hao waimbaji ni kama malaya. Wakati wa uchaguzi tutakuja kwao tuwalipe, wakuje waimbe na tuwalipe. When we want them, we'll pay them. So I am not very surprised when he takes the microphone and says, let us walk out of this artist. But I assure you, kama mtu ambaye anasimamia waimbaji Kenya mzima, I will stand with you, whether or not, and I don't care whether you vote for the person I want you to vote for or not, but because of your talent, I will stand with you. I stood with you when I was kicked out of government from Uhuru Kenyatta's side when I used to work with him. I stood with you even when you did not support this government. I will stand with you now, even if you decide to support us or not, because my purpose is to support your talent. Wacha niachane na mambo ya siasa hapo. Hiyo ingine tutaongea hapo nje. but you have our support and the president's support to do what you must do, and we will sing your songs in our houses. Na by the way, niwaambie wale tumepublish kwa Kenya Gazette last week tariffs ya ile wanalipa, kama DJ wanalipa ile pesa ambayo watalipa ndio wacheze nyimbo. Even you political parties, whether you are UDA or any other party, you must pay money for musicians to get money to be able to feed their families. So we are coming for you. Don't come out during political rallies, you have to negotiate, and we don't want to pay money for them to be able to progress. Let me go back to my brother Paul. I understand we lost him in a road accident, and it's good that the bishop has prayed for us not to have these problems on the road. And we pray for the family that as you continue with the plans and visions that he had, that you may continue being with him. Karango, as a person, as Dennis Itumbi, unajua hasa nikiongea hapa, people don't know the difference of Dennis Itumbi and Cabinet. But as Dennis Itumbi, nataka unitafutie one person ambaye ametoka directly kwa hii familia. I will give them a job for the next 1 year. Wakipanda kutafuta. And like Senator said, please Mufea, next time watu wakishika microphone hapa, kama wanataka kutuongelesha siasa, waongee siasa, na vile umefanya sisi tukiongea tunatoa, hata wakiongea wanatoa. It is only fair to do that because there are many people who speak too much, too loudly, but wakikuja hii mambo ya kusupport hawako, wanataka tu kushika hii microphone. Na hii microphone inalipwa, hii hall inalipwa. I mean hata hii maji tumepewa hapa inalipwa. Let people learn that if you want to use this microphone, at least also participate in what people are doing. Tukuja hapa kuongea, tulikuja hapa kusupport. Na kwa sababu tukuja hapa kuongea, nimetumwa hapa na Majority Leader Kimani Ichung'wah na 100,000 shillings. 100,000 shillings. Tupigie Kimani Ichung'wah makofi.
Kimani Ichung'wah tumeruega shilingi 1,000 katika mwezi.
And Bishop, I want an invite to your church. You've preached too well. Mimi nataka kuja ni participate kwa kanisa. Sasa tafuta siku ndio nikuja na hawa watu wote wametoka kwa ofisi yangu, tukuje tushiriki na wewe na tukusaidie project moja mbili katika hiyo kanisa. Sawa. Sasa hiyo utaonana na huyu mkubwa, upange tukuje tupange na mimi nitakuja. Ningetumwa pia na rafiki yako, na kabla sijatangaza yake pia we have been informed about Archbishop Stanley Gishuru who also left us. Kwa hivyo sitaki kupatia hiyo jukumu kanani kwa sababu ya hii mambo, lakini nene ama nene ameenda ya Peter tafadhali panga ndio tuende pia tushikilie hiyo familia hii wiki kabla waende mazishi, manake we have a responsibility to hold people who also hold us. So we will also go there. President William Ruto amenituma na shilingi 500,000. And he has, I also went to see him off at the airport, alikuwa anaenda Italy, and he has sent me with a personal message to tell you pole sana and to tell your family that he is going to stand with you the way you have stood with him, because friends are about standing each other. That is his personal message as given.
Shilingi 500,000 kuma kwa our president. Tuhorera hii president tulitoroherera. Asante.
Sawa, mimi nashukuru sana and thank you for being our friends, and we assure you, usiangalie tu Karango ambao uangalia watu wengine wote ambao wasije on this side, even you as a person, wherever you are, you feel there is something that we should support you with, nitafute. Huyu kijana ambaye amesimama hapa anaitwa Morigo, tafutana na yeye, pata namba yake, my office is open, come and talk, share your ideas, and I will support you where I can. God bless you and keep your eyes. Liz pia
amekusukuma na shilingi 5,000. Asante sana, tupige Liz makofi mazuri. Mimi nataka kusema mheshimiwa. Jeshi ya mheshimiwa mundu wothe we. Oyo ni senator au kama Muthenya. No kaka karuta 20,000. Asante sana senator. Orake no na koromo kuria Gikuyu. Na mbona ni chairman kou shilingi 10,000 kule watu mabisho mwa. Asante sana. Na mwingine anasema mheshimiwa,
thank you very much. I totally appreciate na mimi muendelee kutuombea, na mimi nitaendelea kuombea pale naweza. Mungu awabariki na awaweke.
Asante. Tuesday ndio tutakuwa na ile memoria leo addition. Hapa.
Okay, jioni. Okay.
Sawa. Tutakuwa Peter tapanga hiyo.
Sawa.
Safi. Asante. Haya, tuwapigie makofi mazuri. Asante.
Ama naitwa Prophet Daktari Victor Kanyari, na hivyo ndio ninaitwa. Sasa nimeamua kuingia kwa siasa kidogo, nione kama nitapata kiti ya Kasarani. Kwa hivyo ndio ninang'ang'ana, na Mungu awabariki. Mimi sina pesa mingi leo, niko na 20,000. Iko sawa.
Rĩu natũgatĩri mũka mũnengerete na tondũ wĩingĩ nĩ ndĩmũĩ marĩtwa manyu nĩ ngũka ngĩgwetaga mũndũ akanengera